Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat 500. If you have one of those and your radiator fan does not work, you're trying to find where the fuses for the radiator fan is located, stay with us. We'll cover that in this video today. From start to finish, you have two fuses. Make sure you check both of them, guys. Now we will explain why it's super important to test the fuse as well, so make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. If you want to see any specific videos on Fiat 500, leave a comment below, that way we can get an idea, and if we have time we'll try to make a video for your specific problem. If you need to buy any parts, tools, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. So what we have specifically here, guys, 2015 Fiat 500. Okay, hood is closed. Let me go ahead, pop it open quick and show you. We'll have the fuses right under, okay, right under the hood next to the car battery. You have another fuse box that's okay inside the vehicle, but the one that we need now is actually the one under the hood. So if you come right here now, guys, okay, let me show you what we have here specifically. This is the Abarth, but if you have a non-Abarth it will be the same. Next to the car battery is where the fuse box is located. You just go ahead, okay, remove that screw here, that bolt, check it out, pull it out, perfect. Grab the lid, pull it out, okay. And now, good news, guys, okay, the lid, you can see the fuse numbers on the back, printed. Bad news, okay, they're not in order and you don't know actually what those fuses are for. So that's why we are making these videos, to help as many people as we can that are stuck in that situation. The first fuse that we need to check, it's a mega fuse, guys, but let me tell you why it's important to test fuses. You may think it's a good fuse when you look at it, but actually it's a bad fuse. You put it back in, you keep replacing, let's say, radiator fan, control modules, computers. You spend so much time and money when all we had to do test the fuse and find out it's bad. I'll put a link to a special video that explains how to test a car fuse in just a few seconds, guys. So the first fuse that we need to check is fuse number F06. So if you come here, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fuse number 5, from top to bottom, if you're missing one, you still count the spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That 30 amp fuse, okay, it's one of the fuses for the radiator fan. Then we have one more fuse, and the other fuse will be fuse number 7, F07. That F07, guys, will be the very first fuse on top, that 40 amp fuse, guys. You have two fuses for the radiator fan. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.